Heavy-duty trucks are supposed to work hard. The 2027 GMC Sierra HD is going to do exactly that, and then some. 2 engines, a trim range that runs from bare-bones work truck to full-on luxury, and towing numbers that few competitors are going to match. This is a machine that's been built with a single purpose in mind. Whether you're pulling a loaded trailer up a grade or heading out to a job site before sunrise, the Sierra HD is going to be ready. Old but bold. There's an assumption that a truck needs a fresh generation to stay relevant. The Sierra HD is about to challenge that idea. This generation has been around for a while, but the design has held up in a way that not many trucks can claim. The proportions are upright and purposeful, the front end carries that squared-off aggression that heavy-duty buyers want to see, and the overall stance still carries serious visual weight. Nothing about it looks dated. A few paint color updates are coming, and that's about the extent of the visual changes. But here's the thing. When a design works this well, there's no reason to fix it. Most buyers in this segment aren't shopping for the flashiest truck on the block. They want something that looks serious, that looks capable, that looks like it can handle a hard day without flinching. The Sierra HD delivers all of that without needing a redesign to get there. Bold lines, a wide body, and a profile that broadcasts capability before the engine even turns over. This truck is still going to turn heads on the worksite and on the highway alike. And that bold exterior is only half the story, because the numbers hiding under the hood are about to make the design look modest by comparison. Towing and payload capacity. Numbers matter in this segment, and the Sierra HD is going to deliver them where it counts. Start with the Sierra 2500 HD, which is capable of towing up to 22,500 pounds, enough to handle the vast majority of trailers, equipment haulers, and fifth-wheel rigs that working buyers deal with every day. Payload figures range from 2,822 pounds in AT4X configuration up to 3,863 pounds in a rear-wheel drive long bed crew cab pro model. Step up to the Sierra 3500 HD and the numbers get considerably more serious. With the diesel engine, a regular cab, rear-wheel drive, dual rear wheels, and a gooseneck hitch, maximum towing capacity reaches 36,000 pounds. Swap to a fifth-wheel hitch and that figure comes in at 32,000 pounds, which is a number that very few competitors in this class are going to touch. For the buyers moving the heaviest loads, construction equipment, large enclosed trailers, commercial hauls, the 3500 HD is going to be the answer. Those numbers don't come from nowhere though, and the engine that's producing them is worth a much closer look. Powertrain. Behind those towing numbers sits the real story. 2 V8 engines, each tuned to a different kind of buyer. The standard option is a 6.6-liter gasoline V8 rated at 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. It's a strong, dependable unit, composed under load, smooth in everyday driving, and more than capable for buyers who aren't pulling maximum weight on a weekly basis. Paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission that's standard across the entire Sierra HD lineup, and the result is confident, well-timed shifts whether the truck is loaded or running empty. But the engine that most serious tower buyers are going to gravitate toward is the optional 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8. Here's why that matters. Anyone who has ever spent a long day hauling a heavy trailer knows that the biggest problem isn't peak power. It's low-end pull, that grinding, sluggish feeling when a climb starts and the engine has to work hard just to maintain speed. That's exactly the problem the Duramax is solving. With 975 pound-feet of torque arriving at just 1,600 revolutions per minute, the pull is available almost the moment the accelerator moves. Both engines are going to feel refined well beyond what the segment typically offers. The 10-speed automatic keeps things smooth and unhurried, and the Duramax in particular is going to feel effortless with a loaded trailer behind it. Capable? Yes, but also quiet and controlled in a way that makes long hauls genuinely manageable. A powertrain this refined deserves a cabin to match, and what GMC has done on the inside is going to surprise more than a few people. Interior. Pull open the door of a higher-spec Sierra HD and the impression that comes back is one of genuine quality. Soft-touch surfaces are used throughout the cabin, materials are well chosen, and the overall construction feels solid rather than assembled in a hurry. This hasn't always been the story with GMC's heavy-duty lineup, but the updates applied over the past couple of production years have made a real difference. Up front, the seating position is elevated and practical, with either a 3-person bench or a pair of bucket seats depending on configuration. Crew cab models give rear passengers a genuinely usable second row, not a seat tucked in as an afterthought. And for buyers who use the cab as much as they use the bed, that rear seat space is going to matter. 18 carry-on suitcases fit inside the cab with the rear seats folded, which gives a sense of just how much usable room is back there. A lot of heavy-duty truck buyers spend more time in the cab than anywhere else, commuting to the site, driving between jobs, sitting through long hauls that stretch across state lines. Hours in a seat that doesn't support the lower back, staring at a small screen that's hard to read in direct sunlight, fighting with a climate system that takes too long to respond. Those are real frustrations. Upper trims of the Sierra HD are going to address all of them. The 13.4-inch infotainment display paired with a 12.3-inch all-digital driver's display makes for a clear, modern setup, while wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google built-in apps keep navigation and connectivity straightforward. In SLT trim and above, leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and dual-zone climate control are going to make the Sierra HD feel considerably more premium than its price tag suggests. The cabin quality is impressive, but the trim lineup is where this truck's full range really becomes clear, and the pricing is going to catch some people off guard. Trim levels and prices. 7 trim levels are going to be available, and the range they cover is about as wide as it gets in this segment. At the bottom sits the Pro, coming at around $50,000 for the 2500 HD. It's a work truck in the most honest sense, with vinyl seating, a 7.0-inch infotainment screen, LED lighting, and a full trailering setup ready to go from day one. Nothing unnecessary, nothing wasted. Move up to the SLE, priced in the mid-$50,000 range, and the experience starts to shift. Alloy wheels replace the steel units, the infotainment jumps to a 13.4-inch touchscreen with Google built in, and the overall feel of the cabin takes a noticeable step towards something more refined. The SLT, sitting around $68,000, pushes that further still. Leather upholstery, heated front seats and steering wheel, power-adjustable chairs, dual-zone climate, and remote start are all part of the package. For most buyers, this is going to be the version that hits the right balance between capability and daily comfort. From there, the lineup splits in 2 directions. Buyers who spend time off the pavement are going to look at the AT4, priced around $75,000. Off-road suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, standard 4-wheel drive, and the MultiPro tailgate all come standard alongside blind spot monitoring and a surround view camera. Push further and the AT4X at around $88,000 adds advanced adaptive dampers, a locking rear differential, a suspension lift, and heavier underbody protection. The optional AEV edition package goes even further, with purpose-built steel bumpers and recovery hardware for buyers who take off-road seriously. For those whose priority is luxury over ground clearance, the Denali at around $78,000 brings wood and aluminum cabin trim, premium leather, a Bose audio system, wireless charging, and navigation. And then there's the Denali Ultimate, each starting around $97,000 for the 2500 HD and crossing $100,000 in 3500 HD form, where the Duramax diesel comes standard and the cabin gets massaging front seats, a 12-speaker Bose system, a panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, and open-pore wood accents that make it genuinely difficult to call this a work truck with a straight face. The 2027 GMC Sierra HD is coming in as one of the most complete heavy-duty packages on the market, a design that has aged better than most of its competitors. Towing capacity that goes all the way up to 36,000 pounds, 2 V8 engines that balance raw capability with real-world refinement, and a cabin that, in the right trim, gives luxury truck buyers very little reason to look elsewhere. It's not the cheapest option in the segment, and it's not going to lead the class in every single metric. But for buyers who need a truck that can handle serious work without making every commute feel like a punishment, the Sierra HD is going to be very difficult to walk away from. Of course, alternatives are beyond impressive, so make sure to check them as well. Of course, the first station would be the Ford Super Duty, which you can now see on the screen. It leads the pack for a good set of reasons, and now it's just gotten even better as high-output engines are now available even in the most basic variants.